As we're here today, we can see that the concrete floor has been completed, the door has been installed, and even outside the building, the actual driveway has been poured. So now we can actually open up the door, get our vertical docks put in place with the boom crane that's here. So the current state of this unit here, as we're standing here in the on the pit floor section that's here, the actual back frame has been put in place. It's been embedded into the concrete. It's solid and rigid, and for many years to come, it's going to stay in place. Provided on top of that, it actually has the hinges and the cylinder connections that are in place here. With that is also the door is completed here, so we have a nice opening. We're going to be installing the vertical on the actual hinge points that are here, and you'll see later on the verticals will be standing in this spot right at this facility that's here. There are two methods of installing the deck to the actual embedded frame. One method is using the actual jib crane or directly from the actual flatbed truck. The second one is actually using a forklift truck from the inside of the building because there's not enough room to get through the actual door opening. This system behind me is actually being used with the forklift truck, so they lift up the unit very safely off the chains, off the lip, and put the pins in place and mechanically lock it in place. To secure the actual dock leveler, there's three main hinge pins, and actually with those there's spring lockout pins. There's two lockout struts that are put in place as well during this installation technique. This is a lot of steel weight that's behind you here. You got to make sure you pin them successfully, you align them correctly, and now you secure it in place before you get into any of the electrical or other hydraulic work that's here. Paying attention to your rigging procedure, your lifting procedures that are here, and your assembly procedures. What we've noticed today, how to install the actual deck plate actually into the embedded steel frame that's there. The next steps that we actually have to do is actually complete more of the electrical work, installation of the hydraulic cylinder